Hello everyone, welcome to Cikgu Zuri channel. If you are first time seeing my channel, please like, subscribe and comment in my channel. Okay, today's tutorial is about how to make a simple outro using a PowerPoint. I'm using Microsoft 365. You can also use any PowerPoint office, okay, that can make a video from PowerPoint. Okay, today's video is outro awesome number 4. You can download this file at the description below. Okay, I will give it the description. Okay, you also can see other tutorial at the top. I will give you another tutorial. You can see on the top. Okay, so this is how the outro looks like. Okay, I play something for you. If you close your eyes. So this is a simple outro. Okay, how to make your own how to create how to create your own with your own logo. Okay, first thing you can change the logo over here. Okay, click right click and go to change picture. Okay, you can select from file. Okay, where is my picture? Okay, let's see. Okay, I use this logo. Okay, you can resize the logo. Okay. So how, if you don't like this logo, this three logo you don't like, you don't want to remove it, it's just a simple click. You can go to home, go to arrange, go to selection pane. Okay, so I click this logo. See here, the logo is highlighted. You just click on the eye, it will disappear. Okay, so the three logo is gone. Okay, this logo, if you put it in the center or you want to put it over here also can. It's up to you where you want to put your logo. Okay, let's say I put it there. Okay, so this is an outro. Okay, let's say you want to put something inside the circle here. You want to put your logo inside this circle. Okay, click on the circle and right click. Okay, and then sorry, where is it? Okay, go to format shape. Okay, you can go to the format shape. Go to the field. Go to the picture or texture field. Okay, go to insert. Okay, you can select from your file. Okay, let's say I want to use this logo. Okay. Something went wrong here. Let's try to put another one. Okay, I use another logo. I will find another logo. Okay. This one. Okay. Okay. So here is the logo. I want put another logo in here. Okay. This logo I have group the box. So I need to see where I put it. Okay. So there is a rectangle 19 and rectangle 14. So I will use a 14 one because this is the inside the box. Okay. So I tick the rectangle 14. I right click on the rectangle, go to format shape. Okay, I go to picture and texture. Okay, here I want to put a thumbnail. Let's say I want to put this one. Okay, for this one, I go to selection pane. Okay, I want this one is rectangle 15. Okay, because this is a group, if I don't select this rectangle, okay, let's say I don't select the rest, we will see what happen. Okay, format shape. Okay, you see there's a different the one on the top and this one. So because I said this is a group, so the picture is like this. So I don't want it to be like this. Okay, I Control Z for select for back. Okay, you can undo. Okay, so I pin rectangle 15. Okay, right click, format shape, picture. I will insert another where is my okay. Why I put this in here? Because when you see in television, you cannot see the end screen, so it will show like this. Okay, so it's already finished. You can see again from clicking the slideshow. If you close your eyes. Okay, so it's finished. Okay, so if you don't want to take this, if I want to remove this, okay, let's say, okay, just click the eye. Okay, there is no logo over here, but there is a logo on top of this. Okay, so I want to change this logo. Just right click, change picture from file. Okay, let's say I want to use I go to desktop, this one. Okay, so the logo is, I can resize it. So I want to change the word here. This logo is about math is awesome. Okay, so you can resize resize the font here, or you can change the font over here. It's up to you to use any kind of font you like. Okay, but I like this one, so I can see the slideshow again. If you close your eyes. Okay. So that's the video I like. So I go to file. So I go to export. I create a video. Okay. So I just save it as an MP4. Okay, it's finished. So that's all how to make a simple outro using my template. Okay. I hope I can see you next tutorial. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.
Everything changes.